Hello, and welcome to Cooking for Dads, the cooking show that teaches fathers how to make quick and easy meals so they have more time to spend with their families. Today's recipe is microwavable spaghetti. My guest today is Jeff, my best friend from the car wash. And even though I asked Jeff specifically not to show up super high, he did just that.
Sorry about showing up high, and I'm also really sorry about the judge's ruling. If you need to talk to somebody, bro, I know all about joint custody.
That's not... You know, making spaghetti is one of the hardest parts about being a dad. Will it boil over? Will it burn?
Do your kids even like spaghetti?
Conventional cooking of spaghetti takes about 30 minutes, but doing it in a microwave cuts it down by 66.67%. You know, I ate spaghetti the night that I got served with divorce papers.
Oh, gnarly.
Yeah. Yeah, the guy serving me came a day early, so instead of getting them while she was on the road to her mom's for Easter, I got them while I was sitting at the dinner table with her and my son.
Oh, did you lose your shit?
No. Paralyzed me. Did. I was still transfixed by that lame shade of muffled orange even as she and Jake drove off into the night.
That is the worst story ever.
Oh. Wasn't that easy, dads?